Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda, and if you can relate to mom life and you love makeup, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you like it. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm for February 2020. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Alright you guys, this is so late. So I've had this for a while. I actually have quite a few different unboxings and makeup I have to do. So I have plenty of videos for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All I did was just literally cut this open and I have not looked inside. I did not look at any of the sneak peeks. So we are just going to open this up and let's see what's inside of it. It's a very, this is the most, where's my, I didn't get a card. Usually it comes with a card. Okay, so I've never gotten a box without one of those little card inserts that usually tells you what 5 products you get and how much they are and a little bit of information. I didn't get one in there. So I checked my email because I do remember seeing like a thing in there. What was it? Oh, it says your virtual February insert card is here. I did not open that up, but I saved it because I don't know, this is the first time. Like, is this a new thing with BoxyCharm? I don't know. I just felt like I needed to save it, but yeah. So if you do not know what BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box. You get about 5 products, full-size products from different brands in it for $25 a month. They do have all kinds of different levels of it. I just have the regular box. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive into this box. I got my card pulled up here, and so the first thing I see are these brushes. So Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. These are $36 for these 3 brushes. This vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and a brightening brush suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. So the next time I do my makeup, I will do this. I love the color of them. They're like this, orangey metallic. It's pretty cool. They feel really soft. I've never tried the Alamar brushes. I do have an Alamar. Is that how you say it? Alamar? I do have an Alamar palette, which the palette and the pigment is pretty cool. Oh, cool! I like the way this little pattern. I don't know if my camera will focus on that. Probably not. But the pattern, I don't know. What is this one? Does it tell you? Oh, so right here, it won't focus, but you know. It says this one is the bronzer brush. So what I like to use, this big old thick fluffy brush. This one is the complexion brush. So you could pretty much do anything. You can even do your contour with this. It's kind of at an angle. And this is the brightening brush. So I assume for your concealer or something like that. So this is this reminds me of that cat paw that Scott Barnes uses. So maybe I can try to reshoot that video, because that video and the lighting, everything was just terrible. And now I know how to screenshot the recording so you can actually see what I'm viewing as I'm viewing it. So maybe if you want to see that video, just let me know down in the comments below. And I'll reshoot that in this better lighting and camera. Alright, so next up, there's this nasty brown stuff on it. And now that I'm reading the label, I kind of guess I understand why there's this brown stuff on it. But this says Isle of Paradise, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and organic, medium tanning drops for the face and the body. So I am part Filipino, Chinese, Native American, and Irish. So I am lucky enough I can just go out into the sun for 5 minutes and I start tanning. So I'm not sure about self-tanning drops. I'll try it maybe here, because I don't really show this. I don't really go outside anymore, so I don't really tan. But I do have an olive skin complexion, so you know, maybe I'll try this out. Follow me on Instagram and I'll show you the results of it. I mean, but it's a white serum. I don't know how to use this. Okay, well I'm obsessing about it. Let's go. Let's see. Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. Control your glow with our custom-made self-tanning drops. 12 shades of tan in one bottle. What are you trying to do to me? You trying to turn me into an Oompa Loompa? Because I don't like that. Alright, just add your favorite moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer right now is the Simple brand moisturizer. BT dubs. This is MSRP'd at $29. So we'll try this out and then I'll give you guys my opinion. And again, if you are new here to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 boys and 4 doggies. So the running around that you're hearing, I have kids. First off, I know I have like these random thoughts, but like this was the worst packaging job that I've had since I started BoxyCharm. And I've been getting BoxyCharm for like 4 years maybe. I stopped for almost a year, but combined it might have been 4 years. And like this is the worst packed box. It's just all loosely in here. Anyway, so I have this QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive. Oh, eye cream! I need eye cream! I've never tried an eye cream before. So this will be interesting. Okay, so this is a day and night eye cream. I'm going to try this tonight. I don't know what these words are on the back. They're French, so I'm not going to read that. QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care. The active ingredient complex of this enchanted eye care helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which I have here. Can't see it because this is all blown out. I have some puffiness. I'm so dark underneath there, you guys. I never get sleep because my dogs wake me up, my kids wake me up, and I stay up too late. Whilst hydrating and lifting the skin, Natural Silk Acacia. That doesn't sound right. I'll put it up here and then you tell me how to pronounce it down in the comments. And, oh Lord, this is really testing my ability to pronounce words. And Sigisbeckia Orientals extracts provide a powerful anti-aging combination that helps boost elasticity, smooth out wrinkles, and reduce dark circles and puffiness. Yes! That's what I needed for puffiness, dark circles. Let's see how this worked, man. This is gonna be awesome. So I can use this in the day and night. Oh, this is $132. This better make me look like I'm 18 again. $132. So BoxyCharm, I think last month I got this Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydesine Age Radiance 8-hour Radiant Sleep Renewal Sleeping Mask. This is like $100 and something too. Sorry for the noise, you guys. You know, I just explained why, but I just have to power through it. We have to power through this together. Okay? Check. Choo choo. Okay, I'm done. Sorry. So 8-hour Radiance Renewal Mask Sleeping Mask. This was like $100 and something. I can't remember, but man, $132. This better make me some breakfast. Next, we have this pink. Oh, I love the way this. Of course, I like it. It's pretty vulgar. You guys can't see it. Anyway, oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. It has like little birdies and feathers, and it's black and white, gray, and like this hint of pink. That's my jam. Alright, so this is Extreme Volume Mascara. I guess 149. Is that the shade? Even if I don't like this mascara, I'm going to keep it just for the simple fact I love the packaging. I'm going to like display it. Y'all are going to see it because it's so pretty. It doesn't match all this. I'm going to be changing this up a little bit. And my background will probably be changing within a month or so. So that would be fun. Anyway, Pretty Vulgar. Oh, I love their packaging. They're so cute. Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara. Faux Reals Extreme Volume and Lengthening Mascara, which I need more volume and lengthening in my lashes because I has none. Instantly increases fullness and delivers long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe, delivering a flake-free, which is good, smudge-proof finish, creating intense black false lash effect. This is $23. I can't wait to try this, actually. Kind of wish I didn't do my makeup, but I didn't know what I was getting myself into with this box. So I decided to come all full glam today. So our last thing is Ovine. Kind of like the packaging is like this matte packaging with like this shiny lettering. Kind of reminds me of, what's that show? Winter is coming. Game of Thrones. Packaging reminds me kind of like a Game of Thrones vibe. You guys want to know something? I've been trying to keep my nails like pretty for these videos. The day before yesterday I tried to do my nails. complete disaster, completely screwed them up. So I redid them yesterday and they took forever to dry. Oh my gosh, I hate doing my nails. So I hardly ever wear nail polish. Anyway, this is in the bottle. It looks like a orangey red color. This is called the Ovine or Queevine. The Queevine. How do you pronounce a Q and a V? Queevine? Maybe. That sounds like better than Queevine. Queevine. I'm gonna just say Queevine Matte Liquid Lip Satin. Ooh, I'm pretty sure this would probably feel soft. So if you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. This is $17. So, I mean, the smell's not bad. I don't know what kind of smell it is. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Oh, it's not the same color that's in that. It kind of looks almost like the red that I'm wearing now. Which actually, this is a lip liner with just a lip gloss over it. I'm going to leave this on my hand just like that, and we will see. It looks brighter on camera, but it's really dark, and I like the dark red. I don't know what about the darker red that I really love. But this is in the shade Monroe, so we'll see how that works. And that is the end of my box. That's all I have in my box. So I got these nice new brushes. They have a really good weight to them. I got the self-tanning drops. Ugh, I'm so scared to use them, but because I am a reviewing channel, I should probably review them thoroughly, right? I'll try these out after the video goes live, so that way if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me there and check my stories out to see what this does to me. I don't know if I'll put it on my face ever, but I will take one for the team and just put it on my neck and my arms and chest area, because no one sees my belly, no one sees my legs. We're not going that far, so. Oh, I'm nervous about these, but I will try them out, you know. I have to, right? So then we got the oh God, I will get this right. Queevine Matte Liquid Lip Satin, and then this pretty vulgar, supposed to make your lashes look faux reals, like faux reals, yo. And then this $123 eye cream. So hopefully between this $120-something eye cream and this 8-hour $100 and something sleeping mask, I will do like this whole Benjamin Button type thing, and I will look like I'm 18 again. The value of this box is a whopping total of $237 value, and I only paid $25. Okay, everyone, I think that's about it for this video. If you are interested in checking out BoxyCharm, I will leave a link in the description box below. I will also link up my Instagram and my Facebook down there as well. Remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified on my future videos. I do post every Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye! My hair is kind of getting on my nerves, but it looks cute. Ugh, I have hair in my mouth. Control your glow with our custom-made self. I said that's so weird. I cannot wait. I'm sorry I keep messing with my hair. I'm trying not to, but it keeps getting in my face. Hey. Don't do that. This kid's trying to lift off the bed. You think you're Superman? Monroe Little. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. Yeah, I just spit. Did you see that?